Meaning of falling out.
Falling out.
Falling out.
Falling out.
Falling out. Falling out refers to a disagreement or argument between two or more people, typically resulting in the breakdown of their relationship. This can range from a minor disagreement or misunderstanding to a complete severing of ties. The result is often a sense of hurt or betrayal felt by one or all parties involved. The falling out can cause tension and awkwardness, leading to a sense of loss and regret for what was once a strong bond. In some cases, an attempt may be made to reconcile, but this is not always successful.